Oh, welcome back, man. I am back. Well, I'm actually in the shop getting ready to get on the lift. I have to let this up in the air, guys. This is '09, maybe I want to say. Town and Country Caravan. Guys, real hard clunky noise. Okay, how do you turn this crap off? Alright, bad clunky noise, guys. Okay. Now, you put it in gear, boom. Boom. So even without putting it in gear, this is bumping. Okay, guys, that pretty much indicate engine support. I'm sure y'all hear that? It bangs in the gear. That pretty much indicates engine support has failed. Okay, engine support are nothing more than rubber bushing. Okay, you're trying to cushion the blow between the engine and the body of the car, the cradle in some cases. Okay, so this particular car is a front wheel drive minivan caravan, likely gonna have, pretty much all of them gonna have one transmission mount which will support the transmission to the cradle on the left side, which is typically the side that a front wheel drive transmission is on. And you'll have an upper side mount which will particularly support the right side of the engine, depending on if you're sitting in the car. Okay, the right side of the engine is going to try to grab that and support that. And ladies and gentlemen, you're going to likely have a support in the front, okay, for torque and jerking and going in and out of gear. And you're going to have another mount likely in the rear. All right, so pretty much all front wheel drive vehicles will likely have 4 mounts. Now, I refrain from using the term 4 motor mounts, okay, because one of the mounts is dedicated for transmission, and transmission is not a motor, engine. I don't like the word motor and engine are two different things, guys. I hear guys say this all the time, and I chuckle every time I hear. I chuckle when I hear real sharp guys, you know, like an instructor at training center. Matter of fact, one of the instructors is one that clued me in on that, how unprofessional that may sound to a very professional guy. And I don't see, it's kind of petty. You would think it's petty, right? You call an engine a motor. What size motor in that thing? Now, motor is typically reserved for electrical components, right? Meaning you need 12 volts and ground to operate it, right? But we, the public consumer, has, you know, gotten into the habit of calling an engine a motor. See, I done got on some petty level right now, guys. I'm very professional. It's just I do not call an engine a motor. And if you do, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just going on a typical baby rant right now. Talk about rants. Well, you should tune in to my live stream, guys. Those guys are really hilarious. Okay, live stream. I go live stream 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on Thursdays and Sundays. So if you ever sitting around the house bored and ain't got nothing to do, tune in and let's get down with some Q&A, questions, answers, and even some chuckles. We even managed to squeeze in some Scotty Kilmore jokes and some Chris Fix jokes and whoever else them jokers feel like joking about. All right, let me get back to the matter at hand. Guys, let me take a break. We're going to go outside and look at the mounts. I actually diagnosed this car last week. My parts are here, so I'm about to install it. Y'all know what? That's right, guys. I'm going to take y'all along with me. All right, but for now, let's go out here and look at these parts. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. 4 mounts, not 4 engine mounts or motor mounts. Okay, we're not going to go there again, guys. I have 4 mounts right here. This is likely the rear. Okay, let's place that right there. We're going to build a little small engine, guys. This, my friend, is likely the front support mount. All right, so it's going to go right here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this one here is likely, I want to say, transmission mount. Yes, it's likely the transmission mount. It's going to go right here, support the transmission. And last but not least, guys, this is my right side engine mount. Okay, so as relationship to the car, which is right here, that is the way that is gonna sit in the car. Pretty neat, huh? Now, how hard are they to do? All depends on your skill level, guys. Now, I cannot, and I refuse to answer that question if you DIY guys are at home in the garage trying to do this. In fact, I'm not sure I even try to do this on the garage, but I'm not gonna. As long as you do it, guys, I'm gonna say this. All jokes aside, if you're doing this type of stuff at home, DIY guys, please make safety your #1 concern. All right. If you need 20 jack stands, please use 20 jack stands. You need one, cool. If you need 20, use 20. Please be safe, guys. I have the luxury of letting the car up in the air. Okay. I'm not sure what I would do if I didn't have this luxury. I am spoiled now. I almost have to have a lift. All right. So that's just the way it is now. All right. So back to the question. Is these hard to do? I don't know. Let's go to the car, to the engine. Guys, this is a freaking engine, okay? Not a motor. But you can keep calling it a motor. I'm cool with that. I'm just messing with you guys. I love you guys, especially my non-subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Okay, transmission mount. What I would likely have to do, guys, to gain access to this transmission mount, which is right there, I would likely have to remove this battery and the tray. So that would make that fairly easy. Okay, the rear engine mount, as you can see, is tucked down there. Car will be in the air. That should make that easy. And where's the upper side mount? Ladies and gentlemen, that is right here. So merely remove the air cleaner housing. That will give you better access to the side mount. And last but not least, the front mount is right here, guys. Okay, so let me get this car in the air, guys. I'm gonna have to do this. Will have to be a two-part video, guys. I can't. It's gonna take a lot for me to, and I can't really film here. So I'll show y'all the vocal points, or I'll show y'all the main points of the engine mounts. Okay, it will have to be in a part 2. Right now, I'm gonna have to shut this one down because I'm gonna have to go grab a jack stand. I'm gonna have to go grab some parts and some tools. My tool tray is on the other side of the shop where I was working out of somebody else's stall. My stall was tied up with a 3.6 charger that was overheating, guys. I finally got a chance to catch and do a head gasket test on a charger. That video is coming, guys. Stay tuned. Click the notification bell and subscribe if you're not, so you won't miss it. But for now, we gotta get these motor mounts out, guys. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shut this video down. In this video, this is part 1. We'll make this part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, guys. I will be right back. I will be back on the next video. Part 2 coming up, guys. Stay tuned. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video, which is coming right up. All right. Thank you.